Hi y'all, in today's video I'm going to show you how easy it is to properly season your griddle. Hi y'all, Don here with Southern Backyard Cooking. Today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to season your griddle. Whether it's a Blackstone or in my case a Member's Mark from Sam's Club, we're going to do it 6 easy steps. And remember, if you like my video, please make sure you subscribe, ring that bell. That'll allow you to get notifications of all new posts, and all this is free. All right, guys, step number 1. We want to make sure we have a good towel. We don't want a cotton towel, and we don't want to use paper towels. They'll leave lint on the griddle. Don't use any animal fat. Use any kind of peanut oil, sesame seed oil. I don't really like either one of those. I just look regular canola oil, frying oil. All right, y'all, step 2, heat the griddle. We want to heat the griddle until everything starts really getting hot, around 500, 550 degrees. All right, y'all, mine is almost up to temperature. I'm right at 500 degrees. You can see it's starting to turn a different shade right in here, but it's still smoking a little bit. So I want to wait till all of the oil that's in there burns off. I want to do that each and every time. So I'm going to end up seasoning this 4 to 5 times to get a real good seasoning on it. All right, guys, so I'm going to start seasoning it, pouring some oil on there. Got my towel, and I just want to take and spread a nice even coat. And you see how it's smoking, that's fine. But I want to spread a nice even coat all over the griddle, fronts, the side, the back side, the front side, everywhere there is. And what we're trying to do here is seasoning it, but we want to make sure that nothing sticks. We want to make sure nothing sticks, but at the same time, we want to make sure that nothing rusts on it. And that's why we want to cover every single area. And we want to just keep going now that we got it covered, and it's a nice even layer. All right, going to season it one more time, get a real good coat on it. This will be my 4th time seasoning it, and like I said, it came pre-seasoned, so I'm going to just put some oil. It doesn't take a lot of oil. It goes a long way. So I just pour it on my griddle, and you'll find every griddle is a little different. But my griddle, the front is cooler than it is in the middle and the back. So when I put the oil on, I'm trying to put it in the front. That way it doesn't start burning right away. I'm going to finish this up, and then we'll check it when it's all done. All right, guys, you can see my grill is completely seasoned now. It's not smoking anywhere. It's got a good, nice coating of oil everywhere. So this will make it where it doesn't stick. Doesn't mean it will never stick. You're still going to have to add a little oil here and there as I'm cooking, but for the most part, it's seasoned and it's not going to rust on me. So I hope you liked my video. If you did, please make sure you subscribe, give me that thumbs up, and until next time.